Goes okay. Hi, hi. We're gonna do this. We're gonna update. When did I clean out your fridge last? 2 years ago. 2 years ago? It was New Year's because we were all here. There's too many sauces already. I'm just upset with the sauces.
Hurt my sauce's feelings.
Sauce, so much sauce, so many frozen. Maybe we'll skip the freezer. I just can't.
Well, unless you're gonna start shoveling things into my.
Do you have a Crystal Pepsi in here?
Yes, and there's one on the tray on the bottom. They don't sell it anymore around here. I saw it some other place.
What if I just dumped it in the sink? Would you be upset?
What?
What if I just drank it?
I'd probably hit you.
Where'd I begin in this clusterfuck? Okay, let's start with the milk. God, I hope his milk is not
I
bad.
just bought that milk.
March 22nd, we're okay.
It's gonna go. That's however whole milk, like organic whole milk, and I feel
Anderson's
like
pure maple syrup.
don't you throw out my maple
That's
syrup.
fine. Maple syrup doesn't really go bad.
There's Canadian ones that
Question mark?
Paraguay.
Paraguay? Because that's where
Yeah,
Canada
the
is.
pasta, Paraguay.
Paraguay, yes.
Honestly,
Apple cider, March 26th. Okay. Rufus Teague. How old is this Teague?
Rufus Teague doesn't go bad.
Shut up. There's no date on this Rufus Teague.
I just had some yesterday. It's fine.
Is that why you're shitting all night? No, he really wasn't. It's fine. There is no date on this, actually.
It does never go bad.
It just says refrigerate after opening.
Rufus is magic.
It's got anchovy paste in it, so probably goes bad.
Never goes bad.
Pecorino Romano. Not even open. Is it open? Yeah, it's open. Sharp and bold. June 2020. You're good. Cracker Barrel Asiago cheese.
There'd be a woman in my life now. Nothing can stay longer than like.
I'm sure I'll find something disgusting in here,
You're gonna
Steve.
find something.
June 2019. All right, it's acceptable. You need like a cheese drawer. You need a just.
You need a cheese drawer.
You need something for like little things to go into. You have too much open space. Like it's just like.
Just be careful not left drawer.
Shut up. Cluster fucked him. Celery. Pretty soft feeling.
Yeah, I bought that. That's a while ago.
It's like floppy. Are you gonna eat?
Solid month ago.
Are you gonna eat this before we leave?
Before we leave the house?
Yeah.
No.
I'm throwing it up.
Okay. Make sure you put it in the correct bin.
It's in the garbage bin. This is an open bottle of purified drinking water from Harris Teeter. Open.
Harris Teeter. That's January.
Okay, I'm throwing it. I'm gonna dump it down the sink and recycle it. Recycle, fuckers! Recycle. Recycle bin. Ooh, okay. Wild beef jerky habanero chipotle.
Oh, people were yelling at me about having a bag in my recycle bin.
A plastic bag?
Yeah.
It depends on your city. It depends on like your.
Yeah, like no one's coming into my apartment to collect my goddamn bin.
It depends on like how they recycle here. Some places it's okay. Some places you have to bring it to a certain place and put in the thing with the bag thing, like a grocery store.
I'll do that.
November 21st, 2019. Beef jerky. It's fine. The jerk. Fancy maple syrup. Ooh. This is the one I would want to eat.
It's a Canadian one.
Canadia.
But I got it in Paraguay for pasta.
2019. Okay, it's fine. Boop. Maple syrup doesn't really go bad, I don't think, in the fridge. What's this one? More maple syrup. God damn it.
That's the one that alcohol in it.
May contain up to 2% alcohol. Yep. This one got me drunk. Okay. I'm running out of room for like organizing. Should have pre-organized. Meat. Colomecos. Primo Naturale. Genoa uncured salami. Animals fed vegetarian diet. Minimally processed.
I don't want minimum.
Best by February 7th, 2020. You need like I'm gonna get you a bin for like your deli goods. Like jerky, cheese.
Honestly, their fridge is pretty empty.
You know what I mean? But it's not organized. It's just a clusterfuck.
It's off 5 inches.
No, it's a clusterfuck. Cluster fuck. Pickles. Class and pickles. Are there dates on pickles? I think there are. No. Used by Steven.
Why?
Your pickles expired in 2016, Steven.
They're so good.
Are you gonna eat them?
Actually, I have had them with pickle with like burgers.
Fine, I'll leave it.
Pickles never go bad.
Just be aware that you should eat them. Killer Hogs barbecue sauce.
That's the one that's really sugary.
There's no date on it. I don't think there's a date on it. Is it good? You need like... most of your fridge is actually condiments.
That's a man.
That's a man. Now you're a man. Scott's sauce. Fat-free. Ingredients: vinegar, water, salt, pepper, and spice. How's this one? Oh, it's separated. I don't know why that's upsetting me a little bit. It's like, it's got waves. Steven. Scott's sauce.
What even is that?
It expired in 2018. It's the Scott's barbecue sauce. It's the best I've ever tasted, it says. Shake.
A liquidy bottle?
What?
Is it a liquidy bottle?
Do you want me to show it to you?
Yeah, just hold it up. I want to see what you're talking about. Yeah, no, that can go.
Garbage?
That was very good until I smelled it, then it was...
Ah! This is from the part of the country where they do vinegar and barbecue.
Yeah.
Like straight up what part of the country does that? It's straight up vinegar. Whoo! No offense to you people. But we weren't raised on that. We're from New York. Ah! Shika to shika. Okay. That was so vinegary. Whew. You have a bottle of open wine. You know wine can't stay open forever in your fridge, right?
I use that for the mushroom.
Oh, you use it for cooking. All right. You should probably get an actual cork you can take in and out and not use an actual cork. No? No? Okay. Sliced peaches. Brand new. More Rufus Teague. Blazing hot. Yeah, you need like bins for organization. It's just a clusterfuck, like I said. Chocolate wine? How is this? I almost bought this.
It's good for the first half a glass.
It's good. Is it like too sweet?
Not sweet, it's like putting liquor in your chocolate milk.
It smells good.
Try some.
It smells like Yoo-Hoo. I'm good. I don't drink right now. It smells like Yoo-Hoo. Keep or get rid of?
What?
Chocolate.
I just opened it.
Alright, I keep then. I don't know what you open. I don't keep track of your house. Or do I? This seems like it's got like stuff. Where are the dates on these fucking things? They make the best honey mustard, actually.
32-hour delivery with Prime Now.
There it is. Steven,
Why?
your Ken's Italian dressing expired in 2014.
I wasn't living here in 2014.
Is this Ryan's then? It's Ryan's. Sushi, would you like your dressing back? Right, I'm not fucking hallucinating. 2 November 14. See, why can't he just do this? Why? Oh god, there's a chunk. It's not going through the hole. Oh god. It's coagulated. Ugh. You have a garbage disposal here, right?
Yeah.
You may have to use it.
Don't get your hand in the now stuff.
I mean, I'm not gonna touch it. I'm just saying, like, you may have to use it. Chunky applesauce that's almost gone. Used by 2020. Yeah, it's fine. Eat your applesauce. What is this? Creamy ranch. It looks separated. Is that mold growing on top? Ugh. I wouldn't eat this.
What is it?
February 2017, Marie's Creamy Ranch.
Stop it.
No preservatives.
Do it.
Murder. I'll be dumping that down the toilet later. Because it's too thick. Ooh, crunchy garlic topping. It smells so good. Ah. How expired is this? Sitting here sniffing it. Is this the stuff that comes with a cancer warning? For the mixed tocopherols? I think that's one of those things that they put warnings on for, like, death. Death. Oh, there's almonds in this. Luckily, I'm not terribly allergic to almonds, but what's the date? Date. 2018. Steven, don't forget you have crunchy garlic topping in here. What else is back here? God only knows. Sweet Baby Ray's Sriracha. Steven? Do you want it? 2016. This is a communicative task. I need you to communicate with me about your desires. Sweet Baby Ray's wing sauce and glaze, 2016. Dump?
Yeah, 2016. Get rid of it.
Okay, I won't dump anymore on camera. Let's just speed this shit up. The cheese on top of your water. And turkey.
The turkey probably bad. The cheese is American and spread there.
American, so dump the turkey?
Smell it first. Chewbacca likes to eat it, but I haven't been giving it.
Let's see. We're gonna judge for the tubers. Oh yeah, no. It's got that sour smell. I'm dumping it. It's a wasteful human. Alright, so the top shelf is basically done. Put everything away. It's got so much maple syrup. Let's put the maple syrup behind the milk. Pasta? It's pasta's fault. Listen, you can never have too much maple syrup. Okay, that's better. Look how much room we have. So much organization. Extra water, which I'll put behind the apple cider. Okay, next. All right. Opened tropical fruit 2018 expiration date. Bitch.
What?
Tropical Dole fruit 2018 expiration date.
Why would you even ask?
Garbage. This is now the garbage counter.
I'm not in love with anything in that fridge. Won't go.
Sour cream.
That's brand new and unopened.
It's definitely open.
Is it open?
No, it's not. Just kidding. I thought I saw it through the lid. It's not open. All right. Ha!
Pasta bought that last time she was here. Never used it.
She never used it. What a bitch. Spitch. This is garbage. Got it. 2017 Artisan 3 cheese sauce, you schmuck.
Wait, what?
Prego Artisan 3 cheese sauce. 2017.
I mean, I opened it up 2 weeks ago.
That's good. It's good. This has got to be pasta's. This has got to be pasta's. It's cowgirl ranch dressing.
That she just bought.
Obviously, it looks brand new. It smells good. Mmm, pasta. Nom nom. I keep it. Such a clusterfuck. This is still good. Don't forget to eat your apples before they get softer. They're pretty soft. Do you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Apples. Fresh mozzarella. You got until April. Your clam sauce is defrosted. There's too much shit in your fridge, motherfucker. Cherry flavor, blah blah blah. You know your cherry mixed fruit expired in 2016, right?
My cherry what?
Mixed fruit?
That sucks.
Keep or toss?
Is it little containers?
Yeah.
Oh.
Bum, 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 bum. V8. Expired V8. Sorry, Steve. Rampaging diarrhea. Ooh, fancy wine. It's wine, doesn't really go bad, does it? Freshest buy, that's fine. You have beer in here. Belgian beer. Two of them. Oh, I got a nail. Ew. What the fuck? Ugh. Can't wait to dump all these down some sort of like 2016 fruit that's all like. Ugh. You're gross. I hate you. Hate you. You have a completely unlabeled Founders Brewing bottle. And the Japanese white soy sauce, I'm pretty sure I bought you. It smells so good. Okay. This should go on the door. He's a bitch. How does he live? How does he live? How does Pasta come here? Pasta, fix this. Best Buy. He's gonna have to stop it with the fruit that he doesn't eat. Hey, stop it. This is fine. Steven, what's in this container? Sauerkraut?
Sauerkraut, yes.
Garbage?
I mean, if you want to dump it,
It's gonna stink.
that's why I haven't dumped it.
Fine. You have too much fruit in here you do not eat.
I love fruit.
But you don't eat it.
I love having fruit.
I like looking at fruit.
Fruit is my favorite.
All your fruit expired like 2 years ago. Oh god. Did that open and explode on me? A little bit? A little bit. Oh god. Alright, well. That resolved that problem. Oh god, as long as the sauerkraut doesn't open and explode on me, we'll be okay. I don't have another pair of pants to wear. Except for my pajamas. This is all dumping. This is all fucking dumping. I hate you! What is this? Oh, that's totally separated and gross looking. Kelchner's Sriracha Sauce. 2016. Huh. It's going back in the fridge. This is going to Dumpland. Hidden Valley Ranch. Best diffused by... Hidden Valley Spicy Ranch.
How old is it? I love that shit.
2017.
Oh, fuck.
Yep.
Anything before 2018 is basically.
You gotta make this clam sauce too. You took it out.
I just took it out.
But it can't sit in the fridge for 3 days.
What are you fucking talking about? When they want to get back?
Alright. Have fun with your diarrhea.
What?
Oh, you have brand new peaches. Nice. Nice. Eat your fucking fruit. How old is this? Has gotta be old. Looks disgusting. Me yelling at my brother. Yep. Okay, we're at the back of the fridge here. Nope. Nope. Hate him. What a wasteful bitch. I feel like you're wearing gloves. Put these in the front so that maybe he'll eat them. He needs a better container for this because it's not clean, organized, whatever word you want to use. It's got one pudding. I have to make decisions on organization. I want to put this like here. but no. So, for now. All right. Okay. This was last night's leftovers. That's fine. James Farm eggs. We ate these this morning. I don't want to know. I don't want to know if they're old. I don't want to know. Brand new bottle of water. Meat. Ugh, I don't know what that is. I don't know if it's on the outside, the inside. $20.19. This is fine. Oh, your bottom shelf is so gross, dude. I can't. I'm not cleaning this. I'm gonna vomit on you. It's like worse than anything. It's up there, dude. It's up there. 2020. All right. Keep that one. Open your fucking peaches. Ugh. What do you do with this canned ham? We got 2 days to cook this.
I've had it in there too long. I would not trust it.
Nope.
Anybody else trust it?
Smoked Gouda. There's no date on this, but it's cheese.
Gouda's good.
Yeah, I'm sure it's fine. Ish. What is this? Your bottle of French ginger liqueur is covered in gross schmutz. I'm not touching it. I'm also not touching your hummus. Because death. Your clementines are like dead. They've been in there a while, he says to me, this motherfucker. You have 3 bottles of Crystal Pepsi. Huh? And then a drawer full of random things I'm not touching because gross. Fucking hate you. Love you. Hate you. Ugh. Everything in your fridge is gross. Do I have to go through the door?
That's what I thought you were going through.
Oh, this is not even the door. This isn't even the door. Ugh. Black bean sauce? This looks new. Just gonna put it back here. Just gonna put it back. Alright, let's look for things that look old. This looks 2017. Okay. Hot sauce. How old is this paint? Is good. No, it's fine. Soy sauce, Crystal Pepsi. You have too many sauces. Sauces. My brother and his hot sauce. Garlic. My legs are going numb. Nope, nope. I've heard this is actually really good. It's not even open. You have a brand new jerk seasoning that I heard is really good and it's expired, but you should eat it anyway. Someone should tell me how it is. Noted. Good. Oh God. Oh, my legs. They're numb. It's fine. I'm not even gonna go through it. I can't do this. I'm gonna rage quit. Everything up here looks newer. God only knows what's back there, though. Ugh. Oh, this is so separate. Yep, nope, 16. Chipotle mustard. Chipotle mustard? No, no good. You don't even know what I'm talking about. No, it's a mustard. It's tortured looking and gross and expired. Your mustard expired in 2014, you schmuck.
What mustard is it?
French's, spicy brown.
Literally wasn't living here in 2014, you fuck.
Fucking right! I can only say what the label says! Wow, that's... You didn't go through the fridge after... No? No?
Moved out, and I was like, sure it's fine.
I'm sure everything in the fridge is fine. It's fine. It smells good, but it's also expired. Another mustard. That's fine. Okay, can I move things from there to here? Oh my nose. Ugh. This should really be down here, realistically. So many hot sauces. So many fucking hot sauces. Ow. There is an unnamed bottle. What is in this? Unlabeled, unnamed, nothing on it.
Stand up. Make me stand up. Oh, okay, that's sesame dressing.
Okay.
You can't throw the bottle out because I brought it back from Japan.
Okay.
It has two tops that open. Look.
It does have two tops that open.
There's a small top and a big top.
Oh,
It's genius.
we suck as Americans.
When I bring that back to Japan.
Why did I do this?
It must have been empty.
I put Mandy's salad dressing on the door. It fits now. You fuck.
Okay.
Go on the door. What else can go on? These can go on the door.
Put a man.
That can go in the bottom thingy. Okay, I feel better now as a human. It's still disgusting as fuck though. Ugh, hate my brother. Love him, hate him. Gross. Fucking. I'm not, I can't. Who? Why? Oh, my knees. Ha. This has gotta be like emptied and cleaned. Like, cleaned. Fucking cleaned. Okay? Okay, I'm closing the door now. It's closed. It's got, ugh. Oh, I have to throw away all this shit. Oh, gotta recycle everything. Fuck. Okay, that's all. Hope you enjoyed this, clusterfuck nightmare. Clusterfuck nightmare!
Fine.
It's fine. 2014 shit. It's fine.
My fault. I didn't buy it. My fault. I didn't buy it.
You live here! You own this fridge now! Fuck. Yeah, you know what I mean. Alright. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. Can't.